As you watch this video, your future self is either thanking you or cursing you. Every second you spend scrolling, every minute you waste making excuses, every hour you kill doing nothing, that's time you will never get back. And here's what nobody wants to tell you. You are not just wasting time, you are stealing from the person you could become. Let me ask you something. What did you do yesterday that moved you closer to your goals? Can't think of anything? That's the problem. You are living like time is unlimited, like you have got forever to figure it out. But while you are waiting for the perfect moment, while you are scrolling through other people's lives, while you are making plans you never execute, your life is happening without you. You know that voice is in your head, the one that says, I'll start tomorrow, or I will do it when I have more time. That voice is not protecting you. It's destroying your future, one wasted day at a time. Look around you. How many people do you know who are exactly where they were 5 years ago? Same job, same habits, same excuses. They are not lazy, they are not stupid. They just never learned the difference between being busy and being productive. They never understood that time is not money, time is life itself. Here's what wasting time really costs you. It's not just about productivity, it's about respect, self-respect. Every time you choose the easy path, every time you pick comfort over growth, you are telling yourself that your dreams don't matter, that your future doesn't matter, that you don't matter. Think about the goals you set last year. Where are they now? Buried under excuses, hidden behind? I'm too busy. Do you want to know the truth? You were not too busy, you just did not prioritize yourself. And while you have been waiting, while you have been planning, someone else with your exact same circumstances, your same challenges, your same 24 hours, they have been building, they have been growing. They have been becoming who you said you wanted to be. Every day you waste is a day you can't get back. Every opportunity you let slip by because you were not ready, because you didn't feel like it, because you were too busy with meaningless tasks. That's a piece of your potential dying. But here's what changes everything. Here's what separates the 1% who live extraordinary lives from the 99% who just exist. They understand that time is their most valuable asset and they guard it like their life depends on it, because it does. The solution is not time management, it's life management. It's understanding that every minute you are alive, you are making a choice. You either investing in your future or you are stealing from it. You are either becoming who you are meant to be or you are staying who you have always been. This is about something I call time ownership. Most people rent their time to whoever demands it loudest. They give their best hours to jobs they don't care about, to people who don't appreciate them, to activities that don't matter. But successful people, they own their time. They decide where every precious minute goes. Think of your time like water flowing down a mountain. Water doesn't waste itself. It finds the most efficient path to its destination. It doesn't stop to rest in comfortable puddles. It doesn't get distracted by every rock in its way. It has one purpose: to reach the ocean. Your time should flow the same way, with purpose, with direction, with unstoppable momentum toward your goals. But most people treat their time like a sand in their hands. They let it slip through their fingers without even noticing. They scatter their attention across 1,000 meaningless activities and wonder why nothing significant ever happens in their lives. Here's a hard truth. Every successful person throughout history had the same constraint you have. The difference: they understood that time is the great equalizer. Rich or poor, young or old, everyone gets the same allotment. What matters is what you do with yours. Successful people don't find time. They don't wait for the motivation. They create system. They don't hope for better circumstances. They use the circumstances that they have. So here's your moment of truth. Right now, at this moment, you have a choice to make. You can close this video and go back to your old patterns of scrolling, procrastinating, and making excuses. Or you can decide that today is the day you can take ownership of your time, your life, your future. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for someone else to save you. The person you are waiting for is you. The time you are waiting for is now. The life you are waiting to live starts with what you do in this moment. You want to know the real secret? The most successful people in the world are not smarter than you. They are not more talented than you. They don't have better opportunities than you. They just decided to stop wasting time and start investing it. They decided that their future was more important than their comfort. Here's what you are going to do right now. Before you watch another video, before you check another notification, before you find another way to distract yourself from your life, you are going to choose one thing. One important thing you have been putting off. One step toward the person you want to become. And you are going to do it. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, not when circumstances are perfect. Because the life you want is not going to build itself. The person you want to become is not going to appear magically. The time you waste today is the time your future self will never have. And your future self is counting on you to make the right choices. So what's it going to be? Are you going to be part of 99% who waste their lives waiting for someday? Or are you going to join the 1% who understand that someday is today? That the time is now, that the person responsible for your life is you. The choice is yours, but choose wisely. Because while you are deciding, time is not waiting, your life is not pausing. And every second you hesitate is another second you will never get back. Stop wasting time. The clock is ticking. What are you waiting for?